Are you taking advantage of the rain? Okay, I know it's not raining right now, but if it was, rainwater is an incredible resource for your plants if you plan ahead.
We've all seen it. Rain that comes down so hard in the summer that it's difficult for our soil to absorb that much water that fast. But if you're prepared, you can use this free water by storing it in your plants. Your yard does all the work, all you have to do is the prep. Slow, spread, and sink water in your yard by contouring your soil to harvest the rainwater. You prep your yard by creating a simple berm and basin system like this. When it rains, basins and berms slow the flow of water, reduce erosion, and give our soil a little more time to soak up the water instead of letting it escape to the street.
In an established landscape, a berm and basin system like this can be very subtle. I'm standing in the basin, the depression in the ground, and up there is the raised berm, which also functions as a pathway.
The raised berm slows the flow of water, while the deep basin allows water to collect and saturate. Be sure to increase the sponge-like ability of your basin by using organic mulch and planting desert-friendly plants to soak up as much water as possible. To learn more about creating your own rain garden, visit phoenix.gov/water. Do your part. Be Phoenix Water Smart.